Hey, Pokey. Hey, Pocahontas. You gorgeous thing. There's the smaller silkies. There's gorgeous Blondie. There's gorgeous Blondie. And here comes Wednesday. Come on, girl. Here, Wednesday. Wednesday. Come here, baby. Come on, Wednesday. Well, she's like, I'm just taking my time. Here, girl. Clover. Clover. Mama's mess. And Sissy's been broody again. Yes. See what she's doing. Sissy, what are you doing? Chowing down. Because I made her get out of the house from being broody. Taz scared she came in the chicken lot. You hear some thunder from a distance, do you? Okay, come on, let's get out of here. Oh, there's Gray gonna sneak up on some little other chickens. Scooty, Scooty. There's Taz again. Train my legs.